Hi guys, it's about to be 1 a.m. okay, but I couldn't fall asleep because my गाडी just totally चिलाउने के and it's been raining continuously outside. As soon as I try to sleep, no, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I don't know what to do. Okay guys, let me give you TMI. Too much information. I keep this light on because if I try to sleep without this lights on, then I get scared, okay? मलाई डर लाग्छ नि कि पहिला सुत्यो कि त्यहाँदेखि एउटा आगे खस भएको थियो 2000 I think 20 or 21 त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ I cannot sleep. And here is Vajrayana return gift. Last time, I think it was last year or I don't know, I don't remember exactly, but it should be last year. We celebrated Jibinamge's birthday, so this one I got it as a return gift. I should try to sleep because it's already late. Tomorrow I have to wake up early and go to work once again. Being a responsible adult is so hard. But it is what it is. This is life. So guys, I'll try to sleep, okay? Thank you for listening to me. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning, Suman. Dale. Bainika. Camera open gonna bainika. Guys, guess what are we going to eat? Yes. Pakora. My sister-in-law, she makes very tasty pakora. That's why I request her to make pakora for us. I can just peel outer part, okay, because onion it stings my eyes, so I cannot handle onion. Last year we nearly lost her, that's why like I don't want her to do too much work. But since it has been raining, so I request her to make it. Some salt. हामी मान्छेको चाहिँ कसरी मिठो हुँदैछ भनेर म आज यहाँ देखाइरहेको छु. Now she's going to put lal mirch. Sister, I don't think we should put more atta because hers is very patla wala and it's very tasty. Here comes cold water.
Then from the cooker, it's a mountain.
Jiggy dolji. He's about to be back. That's it. इतनी पानी डाल दिया है बहुत ज़्यादा पानी जाता है इसमें चार पानी भी चलेगा. When did I say? When did I say?
What did you say?
एकदम बाइले वाला चिप्स ना ये तो खाई सकते हैं. Guys, yesterday as soon as I woke up, I checked the score, okay, FIFA score. And when I saw Spain won, I came here. Okay, he was having his breakfast, like he was about to go to his college, so I came here again. I did sudo. Yesterday I was so happy, no. And later on, when I checked Instagram, I saw people fainting. I thought I'm a good person, but yesterday I realized I'm not so good person. That's why I deleted my Instagram story. Yeah. Light is gone. Asko pasi sa baba na gas pang masara. Cylinder pang masara. So, look at this.
Hey, yung chay, yung chay. Kuli khali lang mo yun. Yung. So, naga khali sa.
Hame machiya, come on. Let me taste it for you all. Kuli sa bato, saan ko lago? Privilege na. पानी परिरहेको छ घरमा बस्नु परिरहेको छ यो खानु परिरहेको छ के चाहियो अरू जिन्दगीमा चाहिनु त पुरा चाहिएको छ तर अहिलेको लागि दिस इज मोर देन इनफ आजको लागि I have a fear of losing this man right there. My dear is Viraja. Viraja! I came to surprise everyone, but surprise to see no one out here. Only Bob is here. So she's lazing around. She's right there.
पकड़म बनायो
Hey, Dudley. Guys, according to me, I'm a very good coffee maker. What's the tarif kore na? Tarif good garnu paryo ni na. Here comes milk. Tibi sarga poksa hi coffee khaira. Madam, how's the coffee? Please, madam. I was with Gesa for the whole day and I looked at my coffee बनाएको मात्रै हैन यो खान आमजिङ खान्थ्यो होला आमजिङ भाइले खान्थ्यो होला
Kigda masin.
खाना किक मान्छन् खाना किक मान्छन्
Jangka kig masin.
ए त्यही खामे ngute दे खान मो
Coffee.
Yes, let's go. मैले भने यो मान्छे त्यसै कहाँ जङ्खा जान्छ भन्छ he thinks I have lots and lots of मिठाई. That's why he keep on saying, okay, I'll go to Jongka, Amjung, let's go to Jongka. All I have is coffee. So guys, I don't like my hair this. That's why tomorrow I have decided to cut my hair once again. I'm going to chop it off. This much. Inga? Amjung kya tokshinas thora las?
Anjang.
No.
Kati jabo.
I don't know. I'm bomb job. I'm bomb.
Then kati jabo.
He saw me making this
Then
yesterday.
kati jabo.
Tenshi? Adi machine ta amagi naam chen chani.
आमा भाग्या
Anjung po pyate.
Kana.
Anjung po dikha. Anjung po dikha. Ama lingjira naam chen chalate. Tangan nemendang chambe bye bye sungna.
Anjang na.
Hi guys. Kunjang mo say to cut here step. So hi guys, it's a new day and I'm here to get a haircut. मैले चाहिँ 3 दिनको भिडियो चाहिँ नि 3 दिन हिजो गरे हिजो र आजको भिडियो चाहिँ मैले सँगै हालेको किनभने एक दिनमा त मेरो भ्लग इज नट पोसिबल
आयो बहिनी फोटो
ठीक हाल खिच्यो
फोटो कतै पेछ म फोटो
ओ फोटो ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस अहिले नि हैन राम्रो देख्छौ
यसको काट्दिरा रे खै
Iyo flower.
यो पक्रिदिन ल तले
ए किस खोले चले बहिनी काट्नु हुँदैन नि रिम्बुचीले माने गरेको छैन बहिनी त रिम्बुचीले माने गरेको
अय यस्तै देखे त खै दिछिन दिखास दिजे झडी छ
मैले katsarina.
काट्दिन रे
बहिनी काट्नु हुँदैन रिम्बुचीले नि
Ayo, guys.
हेलो गाइस
खै फोटो देखाउनु फोटो
So this is my new haircut. It's time to regret the bagazanaki, but let's see. So you'll see lots of niece and nephew in my vlogs. Okay, that is because I have so many niece and nephew. I have 13 niece and nephew. My new haircut. I didn't regret Basina, but later okay, after that I'll be like, oh, I'm going to get started. But it's fine. Today is Chige ma kiss So guys, thank you so much for watching.